Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about the pre-writing strokes. Let's get started. First, let's start with the line patterns. First one is a standing line. Next is a sleeping line. This one is a right slanting line. The other one is a left slanting line. To form the standing line, follow the raindrops. Now, to form a sleeping line, follow the boats. Now let's practice to draw the standing lines. Start from the top green dot and stretch it down to the bottom red dot. Again, top to bottom. Next is sleeping line patterns. Start from the green dot and draw a line across to the red dot. Again, green to red. So these are the uppercase letters that are formed using standing and sleeping lines. Letter E, F, H, I, L, and T. Now, slanting line patterns. The first one is right slanting line. Next, left slanting line. Now let's learn to form a right slanting line. Start from the green dot on the right side and slide down towards the left red dot. Again, green dot to red. This is called right slanting line because it starts from the right side and goes down towards the left. Next is left slanting line. This is the exact opposite of the right slanting line. It starts from the green dot on the left side and slides down towards the right side. Again, green dot to red dot. And this is called left slanting line because it starts from the left side and goes down towards the right hand side. So these are the letters that are formed using slanting, standing, and sleeping lines. Letter A, K, M, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Next is curve patterns. This is the left curve, right curve, upward curve, downward curve, and a circle. Examples of curve patterns. Now let's practice the left curve. Start at the top green dot and move around to the bottom red dot. Next, right curve in the opposite direction. Start from the green and move around to the bottom red dot. Now let's practice to write the upward curve. Start from the green dot, bring it down, take a right turn, go back to the top. Next is downward curve. Start from the bottom green dot, go up, take a right turn, come down to the red dot. Next pattern is circle, like a donut, sun, and a clock. Start from the green dot, go all the way round in an anti-clockwise direction till the red dot. So these are the letters that are formed using the curve patterns. Letter B, letter C, letter D, G, J, P, Q, R, S and U. Kids, let's revise one last time. First line, parents. Standing line. Sleeping line. Right slanting line. Left slanting line. Next curve patterns. Left curve. Right curve. Upward curve. And downward curve. Last one is circle.
Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all phonics videos are given below in the description box. Keep watching. Bye bye kids. See you later.